There's one. That is not a bass. The bass bites slow, but here we go. A fish is a fish. Let's get it up. Ah. Little cat right here, boys. Yes, sir, guys. I've been out here for about 30 minutes. Hardly any luck. I don't even know if I've gotten a bite. I'm out here bass fishing all the way, though. Put on this spinner. There you go. Thing came out of nowhere, too. That felt like a bass bite. There you go, guys. That thing probably don't weigh more than three pounds, but first fish of the day. Fish on. Oh. Here we go. Sheesh. See how she looks. Largemouth, that's a spot. Another spot. This is a great. No, that's a largemouth. That is a largemouth, boys. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Beautiful. Something going on right here. You can see this fish has been in some kind of scuffle. Man, I'm so used to catching small or spotted bass over here. That's a pretty large mouth. I'm gonna go ahead and weigh her. Look at that. Look at that. 237. Pretty girl. Thank you, mama. We're gonna get her back. So that's actually the first one of the day, which is pretty surprising because this spot's usually really slamming, but the water's dirty. You can see all the bubbles and stuff. So let's get her back. Actually, it's too dirty right here. Oh, look at that. Finally, we're on the board.